November 12th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Help connect the turkeys to the correct definitions. All right, so we have our lovely turkey from our Bitmoji classroom. We have another turkey here with a hat, and then we've got another turkey here with looking pretty with its full turkey self feathers. All right, so the first turkey says, "Oh no, I can't find the ratio definition. Help." Well, that help should probably be a little smaller to fit. There we go. Help. So, what we're going to do is, well, we know that this term is ratio that he's trying to find. So ratio, let's see. Is it a statement that represents the meaning of a ratio? Not quite. Is it ratios that are equal? Not quite. Is it the comparison between two quantities? Yeah. So we're going to click on this red arrow over here. And at the bottom of the arrow part, the pointed part, we are going to take it, click it, drag it. We're going to drag it over to here, anywhere you want into that little turkey part. All right, now, this turkey says, "Please help me find the definition of a ratio comparison statement." So ratio comparison statement, that's what this turkey's trying to find. So a ratio comparison statement, is it ratios that are equal? Not necessarily. Is it a statement that represents the meaning of a ratio? Look at that, the statement that represents it. Yeah, so remember, for every blank, there are blank. Yeah, so I'm going to put this all the way into that box there. All right, so let's take a look. Let's see if this turkey matches up with this one. It says, "I'm lost. What is the definition of an equivalent ratio?" Look, equivalent ratio, equal. Ratios that are equal? Yes! Awesome. So click that arrow there, and then you're going to drag it to the correct turkey part. Awesome, awesome. So that is it for our vocabulary. Great job.